Hi you guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. This is Kona, my red-fronted macaw, and my name is Shanice. In today's video, I am going to be introducing my macaw's cage and how to set up and where I got everything. So stay tuned to see what I bought and where I got this cage if you guys are interested. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. So now I'm going to be taking you guys a tour of the macaw's cage and where I got everything. This is my this is my blue throat named Keanu. This is Kona, my red-fronted macaw. And two of them I got the same cage brand, and these two are, it's right there. One of them is there. That's Kona and Keanu's aviary. And I'm gonna take you guys on a tour of their bird cages. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys on a tour. Let's see if I can video them while they're on my arm. So this is Kona's cage. This is how it looks like. This is from Animal Environment. And you can message them, and I'm gonna post a link of the Animal Environment's website. And you can message Carmen. She's the owner of this cage facility, and you can get your own cage by messaging them. So let's take a look. I'm gonna write all the bar spacing because I don't know it by heart, but it's all in the email. So I'm gonna post what the bar spacing I got. So this is a macaw size cage, and this wood will come with it. That's how the bottom looks like. It's extremely easy to clean. That's why I like it. So this cage is extremely easy to clean, and not only that, it's extremely easy to set up toys as well. Let's see what kind of toys I have. So I'm gonna put Kona here for a second. So this is the foraging cup toy by Birdtricks. Birdtricks have their own toy company, and they make their own natural toys, and it's all natural, no plastic, and I highly recommend getting that toy from birdtrickstoys.com. And now this toy is from Parrot Wizard. I have introduced him previously in Noah's cage setup. He has a lot of different toys to small macaws, to smaller birds, to small macaws obviously, but to big macaws. And this toy is extremely good. You can get it on the Parrot Wizard's website. So now I have introduced this onto Noah's video. This is handcrafted by Parrot Treasures, and this again, my macaw loves it. And there is different sizes. Happy Hatch Day. There's different holiday toys on them, but it's wood and there's pine nuts in it. So that's why they can forage, and you can put nuts in it so they can bite it. And this is also from Birdtricks. As you can see, it's all natural, and my red front loves it. So my red front, his favorite toy actually is the Planet Pleasures foraging toy. This is how the Planet Pleasure foraging toy looks like. Kona, you're not helping me. Come on, let's go in the cage. He's not helping me. So this is Planet Pleasure's foraging toy. Noah likes it too. I actually introduced it into the other video. And this is how the material looks like. You can put nuts in it, and Kona just forages all day while I'm gone. And now this is also Birdtricks. I love this toy. It's huge and it's extremely natural, and Kona loves it. And you can get it on the Birdtricks website again. So I use a lot of Birdtricks' products, and that's also Birdtricks' products. If you have a large macaw, you can buy these big toys, and that will last definitely long. Right, Kona? And now, that toy that you see here, he's gonna get up. This toy that you see here is from Etsy. That's from Etsy. And again, this is made out of wood. I do get a lot of products from Etsy. I think that wood platform that you see over there, that is also from Etsy. Kona loves to be on there, and he likes to rest his feet and bite toys, actually. So now I'm going to be talking about the main issue here. Always have a lock. So macaws, especially this one or any macaw, they're escape artists, especially these guys here. They are escape artists. So if you guys want to custom our feeders like this is a great way to customize, since you can take out the bowl easily and just lock it. So this is how the feeders look like. So if you guys want to make a custom order, that's how we did it for our feeders, and my friends have followed our advice and they've been using the same feeders as well. You can just lock it, but you have to lock it. And I also lock here as well. So I was just playing with them and now they're going back in the cage. So that's the lock. So that was an introduction of Kona's cage. Let me do that. This is from Seriously Nuts. I introduced it on Noah's video, but now we are going to look at Kiana's cage.
Animal Environments has been in business for over 25 years and is committed to creating the highest quality environments that will enhance the special relationship between exotic birds and their owners. In this video, we would like to not only show you what it's like to use our cages, but to express the benefits of owning our product. In order to accommodate your type of bird, our cages come in 5 different sizes and 2 different roof styles. The stacker is ideal for owners that have 2 birds with minimal space in their home. We also make cages side by side for breeding or separating birds. Though our latches are considered bird-proof, we can make a stainless steel plate to prevent the cleverest of birds from escaping. The sliding grate and tray make cleaning the cage an easier experience. Our versatile manzanita perches allows you to place the perch almost anywhere inside and outside of the cage with ease. The plexiglass back panel can prevent birds and associated debris from compromising home decor and walls. Grates can be placed at different levels for birds that are young, sick, or injured. Depending on customer preferences, 2 doors can be requested for easier access. No matter what the cage size, we can always make different bar spacing to better accommodate your type of bird. Industrial grade wheels ensure durability and longevity. All of our cages can be put together without tools. However, if the cage is going to be frequently moved around, extra cage support can be customized with either clamps or screws. Aprons save you cleanup time by catching 85% of the debris associated with birds. Customers are given the option to make the apron collapsible for cheaper shipping.
So now I'm gonna introduce Keanu's cage. We're actually waiting on a bigger cage for him. We bought the Luxor size cage. I'm gonna put a photo up here. It's much more big. Keanu is around 630 grams, and this cage is actually pretty small for him. My red front, he's biting my hair. He's around 400 grams, so this cage is perfect for him. But as you guys can see, this cage, it's gonna be a little small for him, you know. But as a baby, it's important for them to have a cage prepared for the bird before they come to your house. So it's important to get the cage. So hopefully that makes sense. I couldn't talk there, but before Keanu came, we got this cage so he can get used to the cage, but now he's getting bigger. We're gonna get a bigger cage for him. So now this is how the feeder looks like. Right, Keanu? I need to put a lock there. I was playing with, he's so cute. Thank you. Okay, so now let's take a look at Keanu's cage. It's similar to Kona's because it's the same cage, but the toys are different. So this guy, he loves wood. He has a much more bigger beak than Kona. So I like to provide him with a lot of wood. This one, I have introduced it. This is Parrot Wizard's Forging Box Toy. As you guys can see, Keanu like chewed up a lot of things. And these two toys, that toy, that's from Planet Pleasures. I have another one. He destroys toys so easily. But he doesn't like really hard wood either. So he likes really soft wood, but he destroys things really quickly. So he likes wood. So he loves wood. Right, Keanu? Do you like wood? He likes wood. So this is my ultimate favorite. This is Bertrix's toy. And Keanu hasn't broken it yet. So as you guys can see, macaws can break toys really easily, but this one hasn't broken yet. So it's very sustainable and it lasts long. So definitely I recommend getting that toy from Bertrix. And I believe that toy is also wood. That's from Little Monsters Inc. And this is also, sorry, it's messy. I need to clean it. This is the platform from Etsy, I believe. And this toy is really good. It's from Etsy. I forgot the name of it, but I will post a link. And it hasn't gotten destroyed, and it's definitely meant for macaws. And this is from AB Bird Toy. Let me just see. That's how it looks. I know it's like chewed up, so I always reuse toys. Keanu, what are you doing? But that's from AB Bird Toy. I love AB, I think it's called A Bird Toy, actually. A Bird Toy. That's where it's from. Lastly, this bell. Keanu is obsessed with this from Parrot Wizard. It's safe, right? Do you like that bell? You like it? He loves this bell and he goes crazy. Keanu, do you like this bell? Do you like the bell? He's gonna escape. So that was the tour of these two macaw cages. I'm gonna do another tour when I get the big Luxor cage for Keanu, but this is how it looks like. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video on the cage tour setup. Keanu is so cute. I get so distracted by him all the time. He's so cute. That's Kona right there. So if you guys like this video, please like and hit the thumbs up button. If you guys want to watch more videos of this, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. See you guys in the next video.